Today, guys, it is all about the bathrooms. I'm showing you right now a before of my master bathroom, and you can see things are everywhere. But we are going to get this room as well as the other bathroom whipped into shape. So let's get cracking. Now, if it's your first time viewing TMB Designs and my cleaning videos, I always like to start my cleaning by removing any items that don't belong or returning items to their proper homes in my space. I feel like everything in your home should have a designated home, and that kind of helps you to keep down on the clutter or excessive buying. So for me, I remove everything, place them back to the proper place, and then I begin to saturate my areas with my cleaning solution. I am a Clorox girl, so I am right now using my Clorox cleanup to saturate the tub surround, and I would allow that to sit along with some hot water in the tub itself as I begin to clean other areas. I'm going to add Pine-Sol because that is my go-to cleaning solution. I love the scent of Pine-Sol. I like the refreshing feel that it leaves in my home, so I always use that as part of my cleaning regimen. And here again, I'm just replacing everything, putting everything away, tossing out what's trash and all of that good stuff. So that's just the way I tackle my cleaning. I put away things first, return items to their proper homes. As you see here, I'm still unpacking from all of the travels. Once I do that, then I'll begin to continue to clean, as you will see. Okay, guys. Now, as far as my mirror or glass cleaning technique, I use one wet cloth, one dry cloth. It could be a terry cloth, it could be paper towel, it could be newspaper, but that is my go-to technique for cleaning glass or mirrors. Really simple, really easy, and voila, mirror is clean. tubs clean. Now here you see me, I'm going to come in with my Clorox disinfectant wipes and my scrubbing wand. You saw me spray the toilet down with the Clorox cleaning solution previously. So here I am just taking my Clorox wipes and just wiping out the outer part of the toilet, and then I will use my my toilet cleaner to do the inside. Moving on to bathroom number 2, i.e. my hubby's bathroom. I follow the same concept. As you can see, it needs some TLC. So let's get cracking. You guys, I am a creature of habit, so my format or pattern of doing things are pretty much the same. Here I am saturating all of the surfaces the tub surround with my cleaner. I'll do the same to the tub and then to the sink. Also, I want to let you know I do have my ventilation going in this space. Many have shown concern or expressed concern about the cleaning products that I'm using as far as Clorox, but I've been cleaning with them again for 40 plus years and I am just fine. So I love them and I will probably continue to use them. Now I have considered trying some Pinterest ideas, and let me know if you think that's a video that you want to see, me trying out different cleaning hacks, so to speak. And I will put some of those together for you, but my go-to will always be Clorox, but I would like to see if those techniques or hacks actually work. So comment below and let me know if there's something that you think you want to see. And voila, the bathroom number 2 is complete. Now guys, if you see what you like and you like what you see, you found this video to be inspiring, hit that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, join the TMB family and become a part, and you'll get a first chance or first update on when I upload a new video. I'm active on other social media sites, TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. So until the next video, I want you guys to have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.